Welcome to Precision Rifle School, where over the past couple of years we've helped thousands of shooters just like yourself reach their shooting goals by going through our online curriculum. Now, we've got 3 schools to choose from. School number 1 is basically our match shooting school that is actually called Precision Rifle School, where I take you guys through my journey of becoming a professional shooter and starting to win matches. We've had such incredible results with this school, and we get testimonials almost every week of guys going out and shooting their first match and doing well. We've had shooters go from brand new shooters to winning matches using the techniques that we teach you in Precision Rifle School. School number 2 is Reloading for Precision, where I take you through my entire reloading process step by step, showing you how to set up dies to get the most consistent ammunition, very importantly with the least amount of effort. This is a highly repeatable step-by-step guide that you can squeeze the most accuracy and consistency out of your platform and also get the most out of your components by not destroying your brass and things like that. And the results we've seen there are incredible. We've had shooters brand new to reloading starting to win long range competitions, and they still use the exact same techniques that we showed them in that school. Now, school number 3 is a little bit different. That is actually the process of load developing for your rifle at home to actually get to a point where you can now just start turning over that load every time all your cases are empty. So that takes you through the actual process of finding a powder charge, how to determine seating depth, all of those kind of things. So there's a little bit of a difference between Reloading for Precision, which is basically the process of turning cases into loaded ammunition, and our load development course, which is called Precision Load Development. That is the course of how to actually find that perfect combination of components to get your rifle absolutely hammering. Guys, thank you so much again for visiting our online school. It goes a hell of a long way to supporting our effort on the YouTube channel. And if you've seen the quality of videos that we put out on our YouTube channel, this is just on a whole nother level, because I really want you guys to get maximum value. It's an absolute steal compared to everything else that's out there on the internet. Guys, I look forward to seeing you in lesson 1. You can shop the courses down below. Thank you very much once again for your support.
But wait, there's more!
I'm in the process of scheduling out the curriculum for my latest course, and it's definitely going to be the course that appeals to the most shooters that watch this channel. Because let's face it, everybody that watches this channel doesn't necessarily want to go out and shoot a precision rifle match, but we want to go out and plink and have a lot of fun. Now, in order to form that course at the level that I want to, I need to get in some cash, because I want to hire a videographer and do it the right way, like you guys deserve. So, for the next 30 days after this video airs, you can buy any one of my courses for 50% off.
50%? Hello, I buy a...
That's right, 50% off if you're watching this on YouTube. The links to that is down below. The links are not on my online store, Impact Pro Shop. It is the link below this video. There's going to be a 50% off coupon to every single one of the courses, and the coupon goes like this: Help Me Pete, okay? That is the coupon, 50% off any courses. You guys are really going to enjoy these. As I said, we've put thousands of students through them, and the feedback has been absolutely incredible. Once again, thank you very much for your support. I will let you guys know when the new course is ready. We're looking at doing that early 2024 to prep you guys for an absolutely rocking 2024 season. With that said, I bid you farewell, and I'll see you in your first lesson. Again, the links to that is down below. Guys, thank you very much. See ya. Bye.